Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your post on Facebook from public. So let's get started. First, go to Facebook and click on the three lines at the right bottom corner. Then select Settings and Privacy and then Settings. Scroll down and under Your Activity, click on Activity Log. Then click on Your Facebook Activity. Under the options, click on Manage Posts. Here, all your posts will appear. Click on Filters on the top and select Categories. Choose Your Posts, Check-ins, Photos and Videos. Now choose the All option on the top to select all posts. Click on three dots in the bottom and select Change Audience. Confirm Change Audience and select Only Me. And there you have it. You have successfully hid your posts on Facebook. For more tech videos, subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next one.